Now, as we get you the latest updates of what to expect in the bilateral meet between US President Biden and Prime Minister Modi, let's also tell you about another big highlight of the visit so far. Prime Minister Modi, in a big attempt to go ahead and revive the economy in India, met with 5 top CEOs yesterday. And here are the big takeaways. He ensured that he spoke about trade and ramping up investment for India.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on a mega mission to revive economy. Connects with top American business honchos. The Prime Minister got down to business soon after landing in the United States and met the top 5 US CEOs back to back. First on Prime Minister's schedule was a meeting with Qualcomm CEO Cristiano R. Amon. Qualcomm creates semiconductor software and provides services related to wireless technology. The company's CEO discussed investment opportunities in telecommunications and electronics sector in India with the Prime Minister.
We talk about the 5G and acceleration of 5G. We're talking about incredible opportunity to advance the industry not only domestically in India, but India as an export of technology as we think about the digital transformation enabled by 5G.
Next on schedule, a meeting with Adobe's Shantanu Narayan. Software giant Adobe is planning to support startups and innovations in India.
We talked about was, continued investment in innovation, because he certainly believes that technology is the way to help move things forward. We just talked about how, companies like Adobe can do more in India.
Prime Minister also met First Solar CEO Mark Widmar, a solar major eyeing manufacturing opportunities in India.
First, it was an honor to have a chance to speak with him. Clearly, with his leadership and what he's done to create a really strong balance between industrial policy as well as trade policy, makes it an ideal opportunity for companies like First Solar to establish manufacturing in India.
Then followed one-on-one talks with General Atomics CEO Vivek Lal. General Atomics is a top military drone maker and could potentially partner with India.
Many of my colleagues at US companies see India as a very promising destination from a two-way standpoint, not only technologies and investments in, but coming back to the US.
Finally, Prime Minister Modi met Stephen A. Schwarzman, the CEO of Blackstone. The leading investment firm is planning to expand operations in India. In the pipeline is investment worth $40 billion.
I had already invested $60 billion in assets in India. And over the next 5 years, we're planning another $40 billion of assets for one of the 10 largest companies in India.
The Prime Minister later tweeted his marathon sessions with the CEOs were fruitful and the business honchos were appreciative of India's reform trajectory, and that the closer economic linkages between India and USA will benefit the citizens of both nations. Business meetings done and dusted, the stage is now set for the big strategy summits. With Geeta Mohan in Washington, Bureau Report, India Today.